What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ben, aka Business with Ben. Welcome back to another video. Now today I have a little bit of a different sort of approach I'm coming with today. This is going to be for my newbies or my people who pretty much just, don't really, are not really having much luck with affiliate marketing. I have an opportunity for you that's going to definitely help you get your first sales, and it's going to definitely sharpen your skills and becoming a next level marketer. So without further ado, let me go ahead and house my laptop and show you what I'm talking about. See you there. All right, y'all, we're in my laptop now. Let's go ahead and get this started. So like I said, if you're brand new to the world of affiliate marketing, or you have an affiliate marketing business but you're still struggling on how to really get it to life, I have a course slash challenge, which really is mainly a challenge that's going to help you in a big way. So of course, it's no secret that I do promote Legendary Marketer. I am an affiliate of them, but here's what they just did that's going to definitely benefit you in your own way. You either take this information and you can invest it in your own business and grow your own business, or you can become an affiliate for them and help promote their products. But either way it goes, you'll have a sense of direction. So pretty much what Dave Sharp is doing is that he created a 15-day online business builder challenge. Now pretty much what that is, there we go. Pretty much what that is that you'll go through 15 days of learning everything from your landing pages, how to run traffic, automation, everything you need to know about an affiliate marketing business and how to sharpen your skills. You will learn that within these 15 days. And yes, this is free. This is a free thing to start. You don't, no credit card, you don't need none of that shit. This is free. Free, yes indeed, free. All right, let me stop joking, but for real though, this is free. So one thing about this is that you'll also be given a business plan advisor who will help build your business blueprint plan up. So by the time you get to your 15th day, you'll pretty much know what you'll be going. You'll know what you'll be doing. You'll know what direction you'll be going, and you can possibly make your first sale within 15 days. So let me go ahead and go down here. Like I said, now you don't need any tools for this. Just besides your laptop and your phone. You know what I'm saying? It's a simple startup. You can easily do this. Also, while you're also in this challenge as well, you'll be given testimonies by people who are in your same position, either a little bit ahead of you or at your same spot, that have taken this chance, that have taken the leap of faith and done it, and now they're crushing it, or they're getting ready to crush it, but either way it goes, they're heading the right direction. Now, let me remind you, this is free. This is definitely free. Now, the reason why I keep saying this is free, because some people will be like, oh, no, you gotta pay for something, or there's a catch. There's no catch. Literally, you go through 15 days learning information worth really thousands of dollars. It's really worth a lot of money, but you learn that for free. You have a business plan advisor to where you can either email, you can call, or whatever it is that you need to do, and he can help you, or she can help you, doesn't matter which coach it is, but they can help you build your plan up. You know what I'm saying? One thing about affiliate marketing, you definitely should not start it and not have any type of plan of action. You know what I'm saying? You should know at least how to run traffic. You should know how to generate leads, because at the end of the day, that's what Legendary Marketer is about. They take care of 90% of the work for you. Your only job is to generate leads. That's it. It's really simple. Simple concept, but for someone who has no experience, it can be a little tricky. So that's why Dave has built this, to teach you these concepts, these keys, should give you the right tools you'll need, and also give you help as well. That way you can actually bring this to life. You can actually make your first sale within the 15 days. Here's the thing though, you got to stay committed. Stay committed. Throughout the whole 15 days, you have to stay committed. That means a new step will unlock every single day. I believe it's automated now. But back then, you had to call your coach and ask him to unlock it for you. But I mean, you can still do that now if you want to get a little ahead, but it unlocks every single day. So every single day, at least invest 30 minutes to an hour of your time and take this seriously, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, you can be given this free training, you can be given all this help, but if you're not going to take it seriously, then there's no point even doing it in the first place. So that's what I want to talk to you all about. Like I said, this is definitely perfect for somebody who is new, who's just stepping inside of an affiliate marketing business model lifestyle, and they want to actually learn the skills. This is a perfect opportunity for them. Or even if you just need some extra help in learning how to build your business up, this is perfect for you. Like I said, this is free and this is 15 days. Now, disclaimer, the results you will get after this 15-day course will all be determined on if you implement this in or not. Simple as that. You can be given all this information, you can be given all of this help and all of that, But if you don't actually put action and actually execute what you've been taught, then you won't get any results. It's like having a car that's full of gas, has the right amount of oil in it, tires checked and everything, but you never press the gas pedal. You don't go anywhere. So you have to put in action, you have to execute. Some people will have better results than others from the beginning. Some people won't even get results, but with time they'll get it. So it just depends on who you are and how serious you are in committing to this. You know what I'm saying? Just even doing the first 4 or 5 days can definitely make a big difference. And once you build that consistency, you're gonna want to keep going for even more. So that's what I want to talk to y'all about today. This is definitely, like I said, a perfect start for someone who needs to get started, who is brand new, has no experience. But even if you have even a little experience, you can also learn more as well. So that's all I wanted to talk to y'all about today. Like I said, this video is going to be relatively short. So y'all take it easy and y'all stay safe. Appreciate y'all.